to ICO Reviews, and today I'm here with EthicHub. EthicHub plans to help farmers around the world in Africa, Latin America, Asia to give them loan. You know, one of the problems in Africa and some of these developing countries that farmers could not access loan to improve on their farm produce. And the loan that is available for them from banks, the interest rates are very, very huge. So these ICOs plan to solve problems around the agricultural sector to help farmers grow more food. And that is a nice idea as far as I am concerned. Let me take you through the team member. Let's see the team members. Now, these are the guys, ladies and gentlemen. Yuri Ambrosta, Pablo Chang, Raul Martinez. Most of these guys are Spanish as far as I know. And you can see them. Gabriela Chang. Give me of this. I'm going to show you a video from her and some of these guys around here. Now, let's go to ICO Bench. Well, they have a little rating here, 3.4, but for me, it's not a big deal for me because I've seen a lot of positive side about this ICO, and I believe that it has a good project behind it. Now, the token is ETHIS, and it is based on the Ethereum platform. The soft cap they plan to reach is $1 million US, and the hard cap is $8 million US. They are from Spain, and you will need a KYC for this. Now, let's watch a video. What is EthicHub? Just watch briefly, and it's going to explain more of what I've explained to you guys.
You get so little from your own money. Where there is not enough money to work, that's why they have to bid for the available money. It is not enough money to lend it to everyone. What if money could freely travel around the world? Average European investor has access to low-return investments and must let others decide what his money is going to be used for. In addition to high transferring costs, there are legal and bureaucratic barriers for his money to be invested overseas. Small coffee growers in Mexico have a profitable activity, but since they are not bank credit subjects, they only have access to small local cash loans at very high interest rates. EthicHub makes global financial connections easier and cheaper, creating value for both parties, higher returns for the investor and lower rate loans for small producers. Our local node personally knows producers, so he can evaluate if requested loan fits the need. He will assist them to integrate the group, and acting as a collective, they will apply for a loan. Now all these investment opportunities are available for you. For investors who care about the impact of their money, but also want good return on their savings. Finally, helping becomes profitable.
So you can see from the video, this is where investors meet farmers. They invest their money to help grow more food for the world. Now, I've taken you through the team member. I would like to show you this. Gabriela Chang. She is part of the team member. She's part of this. This is Gabriela Chang, and you can see her here. She's speaking Spanish, I guess.
Basada en blockchain, pero dirigida únicamente a proyectos de impacto positivo. Es decir,
why I'm showing this video, what I care about showing this video is I always fall in love with ICOs where their team member show their real picture, not a Photoshop picture, and they go further to have a video of themselves. And this, I'm really impressed about this. And the second one you can see here.
Financiamos a pequeños productores de café en Chiapas, México. Nuestra relación nos ha llevado a vincularnos mucho y a conocer sus necesidades. Estos pequeños productores son desbancarizados, no tienen acceso a financiamiento, pero son altamente rentables. Pujan por la pequeña cantidad de dinero que hay en sus comunidades, elevando de esta manera los intereses hasta el 120% anual. Es esto bastante contradictorio cuando en el mundo hay lugares donde sobra el capital, Con la aparición de la tecnología blockchain se puede crear ahora un puente para que cualquier persona pueda.
So let me pause the video so you can see member of their team member having video. So we can be sure that this is not a scam, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this is my review about EthicHub ICO. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm doing this review for you guys. Do your due diligence. Go through the white paper. I've gone through the white paper, and the white paper is unique. It's not plagiarized. It's not copy and paste. It's a unique, well put together white paper. And make your decision. I'm going to leave description down below where you can sign up to the website and get involved in the ICO. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my review. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring more videos for you. Thank you very much. And until next time, this is ICO Reviews.